Hello, guys, and welcome to Tech It Simple. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to mute someone on Facebook Messenger. Now, let's begin. Firstly, open Messenger. After you have opened Messenger on your desktop device, it will look something like this. Scroll above the person you want to mute, click on that person, left click, and then you will see a pop-up like this. Just looking from the top to bottom, you will see something like mute notifications. Click on it, and you can mute that person for 15 minutes, an hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until you turn it back on. Let us choose one and hit confirm. On Tom's chat, you can see something like a bell icon which has been crossed, and when you hover above it, it shows muted. Well, guys, that is how you mute someone on Facebook Messenger. For more informative videos like this, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.